The following message has been transmitted by the request of the Boise Police Department, along with the National Weather Service and United States Geological Survey. At 3:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, there were reports of a 6.9 magnitude earthquake in Boise, Idaho. It is unknown why this occurred, but all residents in Boise should take these following actions. Prepare for an aftershock. When that does occur, turn off all heating and gas systems, turn off all electricity. If you smell gas in your home, get out of that area as fast as you can. Watch out for falling buildings. Please stay tuned for updates on this dangerous situation. Civil danger warning for Boise, Idaho. The following message has been transmitted by the request of the Boise Police Department, National Weather Service, United States Geological Survey, and the state of Idaho government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. At 6:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, there were a lot of aftershocks that was hitting Idaho. It created a large crack over downtown. All residents are advised to evacuate out of Boise right now. This is a mandatory. If you do not evacuate, you will face certain death. Grab food, water, medical supplies, a flashlight, a first aid kit, and a battery-powered or hand-crank radio with extra batteries for your journey. This mega aftershock will hit Boise in 90 minutes. All speed limits has been changed to 150 miles an hour to escape on time. To protect your life, evacuate now. Do not pick up relatives from schools, hospitals, and nursing homes, as they have their evacuation procedure.